What's up, video world? We're on our way to Waterfalls cruising. Yeah, and we're going up the Hamakua Coast. Tropical island style ride. That's the idea forest. I don't know how to see the tall trees right here. They're called idea trees, and they're the canopy of the rainforest. We out here at Waterfalls State Park. About to go see some waterfalls in the jungle. We're about to go deep into the rainforest, tropical rainforest. And then when we get to the waterfall, it's gonna be dope. That's what it's gonna be. Yeah, beautiful people. See these trees right here, these big ones? That is a bamboo. We're in a little baby bamboo forest right now. It is dope, yeah. Super freaking cool. See these beautiful looking trees right here? These big ones? Those, my friends, are where your bananas come from. Those are wild bananas. This right here is Waterfalls, and it's the baby one. So we're gonna go to the big one, the Kaka. So this right here is a mother banyan tree. And it's quite an old one. Yeah, this thing is massive. And the way banyans work is they kind of take over other trees. They're not very nice. So like if you look here, these are actually eucalyptus trees, but the banyan tree, see that vine is taking over, and it turns it into a banyan tree. So they're like succubuses off their hosts, and then they create these massive, beautiful, like jungle, crazy looking, like straight out of a storybook from Disney type looking trees that are massive. This, my friends, is the Waterfalls. It is a massive waterfall, one of the biggest ones in Hawaii, and it's pretty freaking cool. I'm gonna get a little closer for you guys. Fish right here, they live on the waterfall. What they do is they climb up and down it as the water's flowing over them. Hawaiians call them opu, and super rad, super cool. You probably don't know what your banana trees actually look like, but here's a banana tree in its full glory. There's actually a nice little rack right there too. And coolest part about a banana tree is this thing that hangs off the end of them. It's like this purple like thing, and when they're ready, it opens up, and the more open it is, the more ripe and ready they are to be picked.